friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm with my best friend Sophie. She's leaving. She's leaving.
Hi.
Yeah, you might have.
Hi. Yes. Bye.
You might have met her in a long time ago YouTube channel. Yeah. So this is her dog, Daisy. So, that was the ASMR. And today we are going to be doing a fidget trading video with my best friend Sophie. She's currently filming right now. So, I will show you all of my fidgets. Well, not all of my fidgets, but some of them. We're having a sleepover, so oh great. Here are some of my fidgets. We have a very cool little, we have this little circle poppet, cupcake poppet, Neato, and circle poppet again, squishies, monkey noodle, textured monkey noodle, snaky
Here, I'll show you guys.
thing,
Oh God. These are fidgets.
monkey noodle. Let's see what else I have shoved in here. Oh, this little octopus dimple thingy poppet. This squishy thing. You can offer for it.
Guys, if you want me to do morning routine videos and stuff
We can do it tomorrow. So I have this I have this little color changing poppet. It turns pink in the sun. I have I forgot what this is called, but it's cool. And yes, dimple digits.
Alright,
And
get all my fidgets.
my mini poppet. And my poppet that is good on both sides. Oh, I brought this. You know, I can just put that back in there. We have my, I keep forgetting everything. Anyway, this is my simple dimple. And this is my poppet again. And then this is my monkey noodle, my green monkey noodle. My friend is currently getting her fidgets. Here is my mini circle poppet. So, here are all of the fidgets I'm going to be trading. I'm probably not going to be trading this. It's just this I'm going to be entertaining myself with. It's really good. So I'm probably not going to be trading this. But I'm going to separate my stuff into certain piles. My circle poppets. Well, my poppets are going to be here. Let me just get this stuff all together. Stacked here. My mini poppets are gonna be right here. Sorry for the background noise. I'm at my friend's house. Monkey noodles. I don't know what this is called. I'll just put it in the poppet section. My squish thingies are gonna be here. Yeah, this is gonna be here in the squish pile. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my the fidget things down here, down in the basement, because that's where I have to fidget trade. So let's take all of our fidgets down in the basement, and okay, there we go. They're in this little bag here. This little bag you see there. Okay. Oh, this mini pop too. Let's go. I'm good. Thank you so much.
You good?
Yes.
Oh, all right.
They're in this little bag here. So I'm currently going downstairs in my friend's basement. So,
Oh, there you are.
hi.
I'm just getting out the fidgets.
Oh my lordy. So, this is all of my friends' fidgets.
Hi, these are my fidgets. There's a lot of them.
Meanwhile, me only having just a couple in here.
I didn't bring all.
Well, I didn't bring all of them. Makes sense.
Okay, so I'm trading this pop. It's going dark.
So I'm just trying to find something to hold up the
This is in
phone.
here.
Oh, you
This.
This is more stuff you have in here.
Oh, that's putty.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so
This I don't really want to do because I need it and I really like it, but I will.
I'm going to be trading this because I don't like it. She has a butterfly dimple. That's so cute. I probably might not be trading this. I only like a really good offer is for this.
I will trade this normal dimple. It's really good, but like I have another dimple.
I'm gonna just.
Tiny Rubik's Cube.
So I'm not gonna be trading this because it's really good and I love it.
Why did you bring?
Because to entertain myself, I love it. I might be trading this cupcake poppet for something pretty good because because Sophie gave it to me.
Don't trade it.
I'm probably not going to trade it, so just
I will
buy.
trade
I'm going to be trading these. I'm not a big fan of these.
Wait, what?
I might trade this because I don't actually.
You can get good offers for that.
Yeah, I might not. It has to be kind of good though, because that's a simple dimple
Yeah,
poppet.
random box. No, we're not trading that because it's not.
I think I already told you guys that my friend is also filming too. So
I will trade this.
I'm going to be trading this.
Okay,
I'm going to definitely trade the simple dimple. I don't like it. These monkey noodles. Yeah, I don't like them, so I might trade them. Ooh, yeah, this one too. I guess they're only green. This I don't like. It's weird. It's like gel inside.
Can I?
This poppet.
Wait, can I switch that?
Yeah, this is weird.
Guys, look at how weird this is. Like, there's like gel inside, and you have to like separate it to squish it.
So this,
Wait, this one of those strips?
it's
That has
creepy.
a
Just
knit
stare into
on
its
it.
eyeballs. It's creepy. So I'm gonna be trading that.
That's kind of.
I'm gonna be trading this too.
Here.
My mini blue pop tube. I'm going to be
I'm
trading.
trading this stressful. It is so good, and I love it.
And this little mini
Yes.
poppet.
Okay.
And this fidget spinner.
We got this stress ball. I will
Yes,
trade this.
so
one
that's all of
with
my
mustache
fidgets.
on. That's all.
So I'm going to be
Messy.
waiting for my friend. Well,
No.
this is so cute. What is
That's
this?
not a fidget. I'm not trading that.
Okay,
It's
what
a
is that?
squishy. Don't know why that was in here.
Wait, can I play with it?
Don't
That is so
Show
cool.
it.
Oh my god. Guys,
Pop it.
look at how cute this is.
I
It's a
really like
squishy, like you know those little toy, you know the stuffed animals with the eyes like this?
Okay, guys, this is my gigantic poppet.
Yeah, you'll see
But
that.
I am not trading that. No.
We'll review everything that we didn't trade
Yeah.
after.
Okay, why are these guys in
This
here?
is so
They're
cute.
not supposed to be in here.
These are
Doesn't
so
want
cute. Where
that.
did you get these? Yeah, look at that.
I
Look
got
at how
those at
cute
Target.
these
I
are.
am definitely trading.
Where did you get these?
Target.
Target. Yeah, I might be getting these
What
guys.
the heck is lighting up?
We might have to go
I'm not
on.
trading this. It's really good.
Sophie, we have to go on a fidget shopping haul
We do.
with each other in the mall.
Simple dimple.
That rhymes. So this I'm probably going to be getting at Target, and I will be taking you guys to the mall
When I
with
say
me.
definitely, I mean like I'm definitely trading.
A horse saddle.
I got a bunch of random stuff in here.
Oh,
That's pop. Don't.
yeah.
Gigantic part of snake. Yes.
This slime is actually good.
Slime. I do not want to trade that.
Yeah.
I want to trade this.
So
slime.
this thingy is cool. Oh, okay. So this squishy is also cute too. No.
Well, at least I have two now.
Yeah, remember I gave that to you.
Yeah, but now I have two little pencil holders. So that helps.
Oh, this is so cute. Wait, are you gonna offer this? I really want that.
I really like that.
Oh, it's so fat and cute. Okay, whatever. Take it.
Marble meshes.
This is so cute, guys.
Definitely
Look at how cute
are.
this is. There's like, look at what are these called? Sophie, what are these called?
Squishies?
Yeah, I know, but like, what is this?
I don't know.
Anyway, we don't know what this is, but it's adorable.
Because I like it. This squishy.
It's like so cute.
I'm so obsessed with all my favorites. Alright, these. I want
You have a DNA ball?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, this feels weird.
No, it's supposed to be like that.
Huh, a DNA ball.
DNA ball.
I didn't expect it to be like that. Well,
What the?
a pop tube.
Dang, girl.
I love these things. Can you trade this?
Yeah.
Thank you. I've always wanted a big pop tube. I don't have one.
I'm not trading this because I love this thing. Girl, stop it.
Okay. Are you gonna trade this?
No,
Ah.
I'm trading this.
I don't have a water timer. So.
Then just get one. All right, we're gonna start trading.
Okay. So I'm gonna put this here. You can see her. Sorry, I'm humans. Okay. Okay, they can see. Alright! Okay, that was interesting.
Sorry.
So you can't really see me. You can see Sophie, you can just see my hands.
You
right now.
can see me on her screen.
Yeah.
And she can see she on my screen.
Yeah, you get it.
Yeah.
So, yes, we
Ooh,
have some
goldfish.
royal goldfish here with us at the trading.
All right, I'm trading this rainbow cactus puppet that I just threw.
Oh, okay.
Rainbow cactus puppet.
Let's see here. What should I don't know. Except I don't. Rainbow is not my thing, but.
Also trading this puppet
Oh.
and this simple dimple or dimple.
Wait, can I turn? Oh wait, this is actually really hard to. Okay.
Sophie, are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Can you stop
Why?
just for a sec?
No, we can't stop.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna run to Rite Aid and get some lemonade.
Okay.
Okay?
If we stop, it'll stop the whole thing, and then we have to make another video.
Okay. Well, now
Okay.
you're talking through
So-
the video,
Yeah, whatever.
so I would just stop.
So
Yes, can I have lemonade?
Yes, I'm gonna
Here.
go get some.
is
Okay.
this
Can I have
puppet.
water?
I might
Yeah.
trade it for what she's offering. I'm going to ask her to remove this. Can you remove
Yes.
that, please? I thought I could. This is gonna be interesting. This and I didn't bring a lot, but this is what I have.
This for these, or which one?
And this.
For
and,
these two?
No. And
For one? Which
yeah,
one?
both.
For this?
Yeah.
Oh, both?
And this.
Wait, for what?
For both.
For both.
I really need this for my videos.
Since I have another one of these and another one of these, I will accept.
Thank you. So, guys,
Alright, guys.
we got this circle poppet.
You use your phone.
We got this circle poppet,
Okay,
and
guys, let's see what we got. We got this gel thing.
we got
which
this
I
circle
actually
poppet, and
like. We also got this.
got this circle poppet.
We got
circle
this
poppet
textured
and dimple.
monkey poodle. It's a noodle,
Oh,
but whatever.
interesting.
And yeah, that's what we got.
Yeah, that's what I got. So, I'm going to offer something now. My color changing, poppet that color changes in the sunlight. It's
I
a
have
pink.
one of those, but I will offer this glow in the dark hexagon puppet.
Except, there's puzzle pieces that go to this.
Yeah, and I have one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, that goes to it. So yay.
Can you add one more thing?
yeah.
I really love that. My friend, like, I had to offer a needle for that. A needle. One more thing. One more small
Okay,
thing.
one more and that's it.
Yes. Okay, I'll take that. That's a yes.
Okay, guys, I got this puzzle piece that changes color.
I got this glow in the
But,
dark
it's really good.
Pop
I have
It.
another puzzle
It's
piece that
so
goes
cool. And I also got this marble and mesh. And I got this snake. And I got this mini monkey noodle. So,
We're gonna keep trading.
I have something. Can I offer again? Okay.
Let's go to 20 minutes and then
Okay.
do a different video.
I'm offering this. Please offer good for this because this
Oh,
is
yeah,
a simple
def.
dimple and a Pop It together. Plus, it's shaped as an octopus.
Okay, I really want that, so I'm going big. We're adding a part of a giant snake, this spin thingy, this giant pop tube, and
A Pop It, I would accept
this
this.
really good stress ball, and this fluffy song.
Can you take away both of these? And wait, can I try this?
Sophie, I'm gonna go grab some lemonade.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. So, do you have any other Poppets? Do you have any Poppets that for trade?
I'll trade this one.
Actually, I like the offer that you already have.
Yeah.
So I'm going to accept.
Whoa. Wait. Guys, I just got this really good thing. It's a Pop It and
Sophie, this doesn't work.
oh. Well,
Can you add something else than this? Sorry.
oopsie.
Thank you. Okay, guys. This was not a knockoff. This was everything I really wanted.
This
from
is
her.
really good.
So I got this giant pop tube.
I got this thing.
I got this snake, this large snake. I got this. What is this called?
Triple dimple.
I got this triple dimple. I got this whatever this is. It's a fidget spinner though. It's so cool. And this is a bigger fidget spinner, and I love it so much. So and you can even
Pop It. That I also want.
spin it. That is so nice. So that's what we got from here. Now I'm trading my demon.
Okay. I'll offer this mystery bag that's very satisfying.
Let's see.
Don't open it.
Can you take this away and add something else? Because you like that, and I'm not a big fan of it. No offense.
And
What? Okay, this is a balloon filled with air. What do you think? And this balloon. Okay, I am.
I'm still adding.
First of all, this I made. So, and this it's just a balloon filled with air. So, can you add something else to that? Oh, something else.
If you don't pour it on the table
Oh.
because it's wood. If you don't want that, I'll offer
Well, I'm trying
this
to look.
one. Either
Well,
taffy
this
or
feels
silicone.
gelish, and it's kind of. And this has.
Hold on, let me see what's in here.
Let's see.
I'll offer this.
What is this?
Putty. Here, do you want me to open it?
Wait, I got it. Okay, this is this green lime putty. I'm just kind of digging through her fidgets.
Just tell me if you find something and I'll say yes or no. Oh, hey, my Pop It.
Oh, is that up for trade?
Definitely not. Oh, this
I already have
is
that.
up for trade.
Daisy Stone. No, this is Vaseline.
Yeah.
I'm
digging. Do you want this really good stress ball? Feel this. That pineapple is a no. Okay.
Yes. 21. Okay. Let me.
Alright, guys, we're gonna stop this video, but first, we're doing one last trade.
We're doing one last trade, and then we are going to
I'm
be
offering
ending our
this
video.
putty, and she's offering that diamond.
Okay. Can you add something else, maybe?
Hold on, let me prop this up. We gotta put this more in the middle so they can see. The demon fell over.
Oh, great. I love squishies, so, and this is a slow rising squishy, so if you add something,
Half a panda.
but I already have a panda that's fully, I already have that, and I really want something different.
This and
I already have this.
and
What do you guys think? Because I really like this, and whoa, what is this?
that's stressful. Why are you saying no to all my stressfuls? They're good, and I don't want to offer like giant poppets for that.
I know. Marble and mesh I'll do.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's accept. So,
Wait, do that throw again.
okay. So, she offered me these, and
No, wait, do the throw again.
so I offered her this, and I gave it to her.
This is my squishy baby.
Yeah. So I got this Simply Dimply.
I got this squishy, but it's really good.
I got this putty. It looks like a lime color. It's really good. And this little mini fidget spinner, and this marble and mesh.
Alright, guys, that's it for this video.
So that's it for
like and
this
subscribe for
video.
part 2.
So
if I get
part
2
2
more
will be coming.
subscribers, I will do a part 2 with Abby.
Yes.
And tomorrow, if we both get at least
2 likes.
no 2 more subscribers and
a lot of views. And
20 views,
then
we will make another morning routine.
Mhm.
Woo! Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe, please.